me, just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me? Would you use your water bill to dry the stain like me? Are you